Hello guys, you're back with another video, and today we're going to show you where my dad got from.
Amazon.
So,
What are they?
Nike. Like, I don't know, what, socks?
Sleeves.
Sleeves.
These are sleeves you don't have to cut because people cut the sleeves of their socks and wear them with thinking that these are size 2 to 8.
What?
UK size 2 to 8. The other ones are really too loose. You can try them anyway. They're medium. That's what it said, medium on them.
2 to 8 years old.
2 to 8 size, you fool. Because the other ones would be 8 to kind of 9 to 12. They would have been far too loose on your legs. So see what they're like. They're $11.99 from Amazon. You have got some other ones. We're going to compare them to the other ones, your pure sleeves, and the ones your very nice coach Anthony Rooney, who is the coach of your team. He's a brilliant guy. He does some brilliant stuff. He doesn't charge a lot for subs. He's a really nice guy, and he provided very brilliantly. Show him for your old thing. Come on,
These old socks.
the old socks and sleeves, so you could wear grip socks with them. So he gave these, but how are these? A bit loose, a bit baggy.
No, they're
Are
fine.
they okay? Are they okay?
Yeah.
We're gonna compare the two. Compare the two, in terms of quality and stuff, and then he's got some new ones that he's given that are. They're not great. They ain't great. They're nice, but not great. Not great.
They're fine.
They're all right.
Yeah.
But we want to get some nice, see what they're like. So same kind of colour.
Yep.
Navy, kind of a bit lighter. Kind of same colour. Do you want to open them up then?
Yeah.
Go on then. And then we're going to compare them to Pure. These are Pure sleeves we got from Josh from Soccer Reviews for You. And then Pure longer sleeves from Soccer Reviews for You when you had black ones, because you had black ones when you were your other team. Obviously we wanted to order some. We've got a review coming up on some we've ordered from Pure, so look out for that video we've ordered from Josh. But they're coming soon, so they'll be coming Wednesday, and we're on Monday today, so hopefully they come as they do, and then we can try them out. So let's have a look what they're like size-wise. Are they quite elasticated? Have a feel?
They're loose. They're tight.
Alright. Too tight? Too small?
They look small.
So we've got this small to medium, it says here. I ordered medium.
Small. 2.
Medium, it says in inside here. Got a Nike swoosh. What end? Which end? Which end is which end? This is the bottom bit?
Yeah.
The top bit?
Mm-hmm.
Bottom bit here. Elasticate cuff. Feel it?
Yeah.
Feel
Not
quality?
on this hand.
How does it feel compared to Pure? Bit better quality?
No.
About the same? And how do they compare to the other Pure? Here the other Pure ones. Pure sleeves. So these are...
Yeah, these feel the same.
Feel the same? Same length or a bit longer? You didn't want them long anyway, do you?
Look.
Oh, the same length?
No. Oh, wait.
They're a bit... they may stretch a bit. We'll try. And these are really thick wide though, aren't they, compared to these. Put those there. These are really wide. But the thing, you need to keep the shin pad in place. They're even wider, so you've got narrow, wide and widest. So what would you say in terms of quality? Which one's a better quality? Huh? What do you think?
These, I think.
The Nikes?
Yeah.
So obviously Pure is like something that Josh from Soccer Reviews for You has made. The problem is you have to order them from Canada, and if you don't order free shipping by ordering about 30 or 40 pounds worth, you end up paying £8 for shipping. You end up just buying stuff just to get the free shipping. So I looked to buy some sleeves after buying the other things that I bought, and I thought I'm not doing that, and it's going to take weeks to get here. So that's the only problem. We've had sleeves in the past. We had the socks in the past. Socks aren't great, are they?
No.
His socks are not great. His grip socks. Well, you're not in the grip socks anyway, are you? You're not really into grip socks anyway, are you?
No.
So we're going to just try them on, these, and see how they are. And we go for you can use one or the other one so you know what they're like. So you go over there, pull the chair out, so you can get the light on as well.
Okay.
Go and do it then now. Do it now. Because I can't move this over until we're ready because we'll look really wise. So they seem a bit narrow. It's better than getting big loose ones. Let's see how you feel with them. So we're going to get one. Of your socks, of your odd socks. Your odd socks.
I wear these to school.
Yeah, no.
How do you know which way?
I don't know. I think it's that way. Go on. Go on then. And what? I'm recording, don't worry.
I know, I'm saying they're quite tight.
They're excessively tight. That's a very expensive mistake, isn't it?
These don't fit. These aren't elasticated.
Not elasticated at the bottom.
No.
They're not elasticated.
No.
So what are they?
They will get from my foot.
Huh? You know, there's times when you buy something, you think, why did I buy these? And how did I end up getting this? Get it so wrong?
It's because you're gonna snap.
Huh?
You're gonna snap.
What do you mean gonna snap?
If I pull it over.
Over what?
My fault.
What's gonna snap? Your fault?
No, this.
Just try it, pull it over.
It's snapping, bro.
Well, just pull it. If it snaps, it snaps. There you go. Snap my fault.
It did. I heard it snapping.
You heard it snapping. At the moment, you think, why the hell did I spend £11 on these? Right, pull them up then. Fold them down then. You like wearing them down, don't you? Not that down. What are you doing? Like that?
All the way here.
Yeah, but how the shin pads going to fit then?
They all go up here.
Just fold them over then. Don't you fold them over?
Oh.
Just pull them, do them properly. Everyone wants to see what. Well, not everyone, whoever's watching it. Everyone. Right, now pull these bottom one up a bit. Pull this down a bit. Blimey, governor. So how are they? Huh? No, seriously, they're not any good.
They feel fine.
No, you're shaking your head. Why are you shaking your head for?
They feel fine.
Are they uncomfortable?
No.
Are you going to wear them then?
No.
No, seriously, don't joke, right? We're in a video now.
See, I'm wearing it all the way down here.
No, yeah, I get that. I'm wearing it all the way down. Is that how you wear them normally?
Yes.
So you wear it all the way down there?
Yeah.
How do they feel when you wear them all the way down there?
Fine.
What?
Fine.
Can't you just fold them over instead of crinkly? No, seriously, I'm asking you.
No.
So that's how you're going to wear them?
Yes.
And that's why shin pads keep coming up. And in the last game thing, you had to give you your shin pads back, you fool. Anthony had to give you your shin pads back.
Chuck them back, yeah.
So what we doing then?
Nothing.
You don't like them?
No, these are fine.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Because we've got to tell people if we'd recommend them.
No, these are.
Are they better than the ones that...
Too small.
Are they ones better than the one that Anthony's provided?
No.
They're not better?
No, they are better, they are.
Okay, right. Okay, let's start again. So compared to the Pures, the both type of Pure sleeves, are these better or not?
No.
They're not better? They're not as good? Huh?
No.
They're not as good?
No.
So I should have got your Pure sleeves?
Yeah, but these feel fine. These feel just like normal socks.
And what do the Pure sleeves feel like?
What's up?
Right, I know, so we're going sleeves. Are they going to hold your shin pads tightly in place?
Yes.
You think? Better than the other ones? They're less
I
like
think
pink.
better than Pure, yeah.
And what about better than the ones that Anthony gave you?
Yeah, no.
Huh?
Those are tight.
What is?
Underneath.
And do you want to tie it?
Yes.
Too tight?
No.
And how are these?
He's fine.
So are you going to wear these or not?
Yes.
Are we going to recommend them?
Yes.
Or what are you going to give them out of 10?
6.
6? How can you recommend something that's 6 out of 10?
Yeah, because they're just nice. They're just normal.
So what are the other ones like in comparison? The Pure,
They're more soft.
they're softer. So these aren't soft.
Yeah.
They're rigid.
But these are fine.
So you're gonna. So
I'm gonna wear them.
what would you, on balance,
Yeah.
pay £8 for a pair of?
Yeah, but I think you got the wrong size. That's why.
Should I get next size up then?
No, because I already ripped the bottom of it.
Is it ripped?
I don't know. Pretty sure.
Right. Okay, we've ripped the
Shall
bottom
we
bit.
shall we check? Shall we check?
Good, it's expensive mistake this. I'm sure I ordered medium. How can these be medium if it's size 2 to 8? This is what happens, guys. Sometimes you win some, you lose some. Are they ripped?
Wait.
Are they ripped?
Look. Look. Feel that?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the bottom of it.
Yeah.
Feel this one.
Oh, it's ripped, isn't it? Oh my
I
god.
told you not to pull it over.
Well, what are we going to do then? How are you going to pull it over then? What are you going to do then? Well, I'm going to order you the bigger size.
No, these are fine.
They're not fine because they're obviously ripped now.
They're fine.
No, they're not fine. We're not going to do that.
Don't buy
Or you
me
just go
anymore.
back to other boots, right? Okay, right. So we found out that do not buy the medium size. Look, the sizing.
Yeah.
The sizing's not right.
No.
No, that can't be size 2 to 8.
No.
Not in a million years. It's ripped. What a joke.
Just get
You
a
wa-
size up.
At least around 50 quid or something. Right, anyway, if they're the right size, we're going to do another video. This will be take 1, this will be part 1 failure, and be part 2. What the?
What the hell is that?
So that's just stretching now,
Yeah.
right? And that was not stretching.
It's just look.
Is that uncomfortable?
Probably is. I can't lie. I'm gonna rip this one. Because
Is it going to be uncomfortable, that?
I'm gonna rip it.
No, I'm asking you, would it be uncomfortable?
That's what I mean. Let me rip.
No, I'm asking you, would it be
Yeah.
uncomfortable?
If it stayed rigid, yeah. Let me rip it.
Why don't rip it? Why are you
I'm gonna wear it.
You're not going to wear them, but we're going to
I
get the other
am.
size. We're going to get a larger size.
No. I'm
we
wearing
are.
these.
We are, because we're going to try and work out this in my thingy.
No, because these are fine when I pull it down.
Right,
Let me rip them.
are we finishing the video now?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Let me rip them.
No.
Oh, please subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Peace out.
Bye-bye.